New at midday, the Department of Health confirms another case of whooping cough over on Hawaii Island. It's unrelated to the cases previously identified, but there are now 11 reported cases on the island, which started in March last year. The DOH says that this proves the disease is being spread through the community. Several of the recent cases have occurred in infants too young to be fully vaccinated. The best way to ward off this disease is by getting vaccinated. And if your keiki is struggling to breathe or turning blue or purple, you are expected to call 911.